Have you ever wondered how consuming ginger daily might affect your body? Today, we will discover how this simple ingredient, found in millions of households worldwide, can have a massive impact on your health. We will also explore how much is safe to consume daily and its contraindications, as not everyone can consume it. And as a bonus, we'll share a simple and tasty recipe that mixes ginger with 2 other ingredients, enhancing its effects. So, let's dive into the information. But before we begin, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay until the end for a valuable tip that could change how you use ginger in your daily routine. Now, what makes ginger so powerful? The true secret of this root lies in gingerol, a unique compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help combat premature aging and various diseases. And how can these properties benefit all the systems in our body? Let's start with the first and perhaps the most important, the cardiovascular system. Ginger helps improve blood circulation and reduce blood pressure, decreasing the risk of heart disease. Recent studies have concluded that gingerol is a key ally in reducing levels of bad cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood. In other words, it helps prevent the buildup of fatty plaques in the arteries, making blood circulation more efficient and easing the heart's workload. Additionally, ginger can improve arterial elasticity and produce a slight anticoagulant effect in the blood, which are crucial factors in preventing heart attacks and strokes. The second beneficial property of ginger is its ability to regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable ally for those looking to maintain glycemic balance. It works uniquely by improving insulin sensitivity, helping cells better use insulin to absorb sugar from the bloodstream. This reduces blood glucose levels and eases the pancreas's workload. Moreover, ginger can improve the function of pancreatic beta cells, which are responsible for producing insulin. It can also slow the digestion of carbohydrates, which slows the release of sugar into the bloodstream and prevents those undesirable glucose spikes after meals. Recent studies show that regular ginger consumption can lead to a significant reduction in fasting glucose levels and an overall improvement in glycemic control, especially in people with type 2 diabetes. The third benefit of ginger is its ability to relieve stomach discomfort. Are you familiar with that unpleasant feeling of nausea? It can be combated with ginger, as this powerful root helps relax the muscles of the digestive tract and stimulates the production of enzymes that aid digestion. Additionally, it can help reduce acid production in the stomach, relieving the sensation of heartburn and discomfort. A study published in Cancer in 2020 conducted several clinical trials and concluded that gingerol is effective in reducing nausea and vomiting, especially in patients undergoing chemotherapy and pregnant women. The study highlighted that ginger could be a safe and natural alternative for controlling these symptoms. Let's move on to the fourth point, relieving arthritis-related pain. Imagine a rusty spring that resists every time you try to move it. That's essentially what happens with arthritis. You try to move your joints, and your body doesn't respond as you expect. This is due to inflammation. That's where gingerol comes into play, because it can block the enzymes responsible for inflammation. In this way, regular ginger consumption can improve the mobility of people with arthritis, making movement more comfortable. In 2019, a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology investigated the effect of gingerol in patients with chronic inflammation and found that the compound helped reduce inflammatory markers in the body, alleviating arthritis symptoms. Moving on to the fifth point, strengthening the immune system. Ginger acts as a natural shield against various diseases. Its active compounds, like gingerol and phenolic acid derivatives, help fight infections and strengthen the body's defenses. Ginger promotes the production of white blood cells, essential for fighting pathogens, and stimulates the body's immune response, helping to prevent colds, flu, and other viral infections. Let's now discuss the sixth point, improving the respiratory system. Do you know that persistent cough that won't go away with conventional medications or syrups? The solution might be in consuming ginger. This powerful root acts as a natural expectorant, making it easier to eliminate mucus and relieve persistent cough. It also has properties that help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, relieving symptoms of congestion and irritation. Its active compounds, such as gingerol, help relax the muscles of the respiratory tract, improving breathing and reducing the feeling of shortness of breath. With regular consumption, it is possible to prevent and relieve conditions like bronchitis, asthma, and sinusitis, promoting freer and healthier breathing. Before we continue with this video, I need to ask you, are you feeling tired, struggling to gain muscle, or dealing with a decreased libido? It's time to take action. We present to you the Men's Power Guide, 50 natural juice and shake recipes to boost testosterone. This ebook, packed with delicious and easy-to-make recipes, is the ultimate solution to naturally increase your testosterone levels so you can feel more energetic, stronger, and confident every day. The price is very affordable, and by purchasing it, you are also supporting our channel to bring more health-related content to you for free here on YouTube. Get it now by clicking on the link in the first pinned comment of this video. Now, let's get back to the video. The seventh benefit of ginger is related to mental health and cognition. Consuming this ingredient regularly can help the brain in several ways. Firstly, ginger helps combat oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells and contribute to diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Scientific research shows that it can enhance learning ability and memory and improve overall mental function. This can be attributed to the increased blood flow to the brain and the improved neuronal function provided by ginger's active compounds. Moreover, ginger can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. Its calming effect can contribute to improving mood and mental well-being, helping reduce stress symptoms and promoting a general sense of calm. And now you might be wondering, how much ginger should I consume daily to get these benefits? That's what we'll explain now. To safely and effectively enjoy the benefits of ginger, the recommended daily amount may vary depending on how it's consumed and individual health. In general, studies and expert advice suggest that a safe daily intake of ginger ranges from 1 to 3 grams. This amount can be obtained in different ways. If you prefer consuming fresh ginger, the ideal amount is 1 to 2 centimeters, which is equivalent to 1 gram. It can be added to juices or meals. Another way to consume it is in powdered form. In this case, a dose of 0.5 to 1 gram per day is recommended, which can be added to juices or used as a seasoning in culinary preparations. Some people prefer taking ginger in supplement form. In this case, it is important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations, but doses of 1 to 3 grams are generally considered safe. Another way to consume ginger is in tea form. In this case, 2 to 3 cups a day are considered safe. Speaking of this option, as promised at the beginning of the video, we'll now share a recipe for ginger tea with the addition of honey and lemon, 2 important allies for our health. To prepare it, simply boil 2 cups of water, add a piece of fresh ginger about 12 centimeters long, sliced or grated, and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Then strain the infusion into a cup, add the juice of half a lemon and a teaspoon of honey, and mix well. Then it's ready to drink. This tea is excellent for the body, as it combines the anti-inflammatory and digestive properties of ginger, the vitamin C from lemon, which boosts the immune system, and the antibacterial and soothing properties of honey, helping to relieve cold symptoms, improve digestion, and provide a sense of comfort and well-being. It is important to note that it is essential to adjust the amount of ginger according to individual tolerance and possible health conditions, as it can cause issues in some situations. Therefore, consider the following contraindications. People with conditions such as gastroesophageal reflux, stomach ulcers, or irritable bowel syndrome should be careful with excessive ginger consumption, as it can aggravate symptoms such as heartburn and abdominal discomfort. Ginger can increase the risk of bleeding due to its anticoagulant properties. People with bleeding disorders, such as hemophilia, or who take blood-thinning medications like warfarin, should consult a doctor before consuming large amounts of ginger. Although ginger is often used to relieve nausea during pregnancy, it is important not to overdo it. Excessive consumption can have adverse effects and should be discussed with a healthcare professional. Although ginger can help regulate blood sugar levels, it is crucial for diabetics to regularly monitor their glucose levels, as ginger may interact with diabetes medications and cause an excessive drop in blood sugar levels. people taking medication for hypertension should take ginger with caution, as it can interact with these medications and potentially lower blood pressure excessively. Although less common, some people may be allergic to ginger and experience reactions such as rashes or itching. It is worth noting that this presentation does not replace a medical consultation, so for any doubts or specific health conditions, it is always advisable to consult a healthcare professional before starting to consume ginger regularly. And now I'm curious to know your experience. Do you consume ginger regularly? And have you ever tried ginger tea with lemon and honey? Leave your response in the comments and share this presentation with your dear friends and family so they can also learn more about the incredible properties of ginger. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you in the next videos.